Hello, I'm Steve Young. I'm with inStall Xpress out of Knoxville, Tennessee. Our website is expressinstallation.com. I want to show you our new product video. We actually have a tablet-based system where we give to our install service people out in the field. It walks through. This is a walkthrough I'll do for the entire InTouch mobile project. It's set up to where you can actually take your photos and do your inventory and everything online. You can walk through, you do a site check-in. Once you do your check-in, the Find Me button here will actually do a GPS locate, but since I don't have a Las Vegas location on here, I'm going to actually go through and do the manual, which would be to click on Tennessee, bring it up, that brings up your Tennessee, and then the sites that are in Tennessee would be by clicking on, be clicking on here, that'll bring up our sites here. That's our location in Knoxville, so we'll say done, and then you click the Begin Work button. The Begin Work button brings up your manager's name. This is a walkthrough process to where we're actually asking them to receive the manager's name, take care of everything from there. You would actually type in your manager's name. Once you're done, you hit the Go button. That allows you to move forward with, will the manager allow you to work? Yes or no? Hopefully it's yes. You go to yes. Has a product package arrived? If it has, then that's great. If it hasn't, then it allows your on-site person to say, hey, I haven't got my product here yet, so what am I supposed to do? By clicking no, that'll actually send an email to a person back in our office, our project manager, who will understand immediately that we've got a problem with that location. I'm going to cancel out of there and click yes. That'll bring up, maybe the product arrived, but it's in bad shape. Maybe it's damaged, whatever. If it is damaged, you can click no, and it'll do the same thing, email address. You can send a message back. But on this particular one, you can actually take a picture. You can click OK or cancel, obviously. We're going to say everything arrived okay. We'll go to Verify Install. The installation, a lot of locations we have to do inventory. And on inventory, this tells you what quantity shipped, and then you tell it what quantity you received by just double-clicking here. It'll bring up your information. You say OK. And obviously it'll continue on. It defaults to the number next to it. So if you have this going over here, then obviously 2 is how many you received, so how many did you install, so on and so forth. If you have a problem with it, you can go to Product Notes down here in the bottom right. After you're done with your inventory, you go through Take Notes. On your notes, or take pictures, I'm sorry. Once you take your photos, it actually tells you the sample image that you should be receiving compared to the image that you're wanting to actually put on. You take the photo, it brings up the camera application. Camera application's here. You take the photo, as you can tell, that photo's done. Once you click the done on your Camo app, it actually brings you back and it lets you compare your photo to what you received. Obviously this is not the correct photo, but it's just for sample purpose. You click next and you go through and you do all your different photos that way. You go all the way through to the end. I'm just going to click through real quick. And when you get to the end of the product, then you have a sign-off sheet for the manager. Then once the manager signs off, you take a picture of that. It uploads it to our system back at the office. When you hit finish, if you didn't take a photo or if there's something wrong, it'll tell you a list of photos you didn't take, which allows you to go back and do more photos. Okay. That's the actual tablet program for that. Also, built onto this tablet, we have all of our information built into actual web videos, and the web videos actually walk our installer through how to install these products. This product goes through. It tells you what you should receive, the whole 9 yards. That's from expressinstallation.com. We actually we have this along with we do the project management, we do all of the end user stuff, and we definitely like to have you as a customer. Thank you.